Good afternoon. Welcome to Millington Memphis Tennessee. I'm here at a house here ready to show you, and I'm so excited to show you what's inside. I'm Kelsey Mansray with eXp Realty, the Mara Group. So let's check it out and see what we have here. Welcome to this fantastic place. I'm thrilled to introduce to you this wonderful property located at 5876 Hamlets Road. This property and opportunity was fully renovated and has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This place provides ample room for you to create the lifestyle you desire. Nestled in a quiet community, this property sits on an acre lot, and the property has been rebuilt from the studs. Looking in the backyard, you see where the kids will spend most of the time. There's plenty of space. Imagine what you can do to make this place your own. Now let's begin our tour. Upon entering the place with your spacious laundry room to the left, you walk right in directly to the welcoming, formal dining room and then to the beautiful kitchen. It has luxurious granite countertops, new lighting fixtures, new cabinets, and ceramic tile in the kitchen. Notice the vaulted ceiling and also the huge marble island in the middle with seating for 4 to 5 guests. Walk further and there is a spacious and inviting den with hardwood floors, vaulted ceiling, and updated modern lighting, perfect for relaxation and enjoyment. With the open floor plan, this property is perfect for entertaining guests. Moving on, let's explore the bedrooms. You have a spacious bedroom here with carpeted flooring for comfortable living. There's a bathroom here with bathtub and shower and ceramic tile flooring. Here's another bedroom here with carpet flooring, each providing a versatile and comfortable space. Either bedroom can serve as a bedroom, guest room, office, nursery, or a cozy retreat for relaxation. There are plenty of windows throughout the home with natural lighting shining through. Walk past the den and onto the other side of the house. You have the primary master bedroom, your serene haven for rest and relaxation. It also includes an ensuite bathroom with ceramic tile flooring, walk-in shower, updating lighting, and just a wonderful space to recline and retreat for convenience and ultimate privacy. While we step in the backyard, you see the expansive space, which is a perfect oasis for all sorts of outdoor activities. Now, this concludes our tour of this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom opportunity in Millington, Memphis, Tennessee. It can be yours at $245,000. Do you see yourself living here, or do you see this place as an investment opportunity? Whether moving in 8 or 80 days, call me, text me, email me, or schedule your Zoom video call today. Again, I'm Kelsey Mansray with eXp Realty. I look forward to showing you future opportunities.